Rahul Narvikar also joins the debate. Hashtag tonight is Hawala versus Hawala. I will begin with 6 specific questions, very specific questions, each of them very short, to the Congress representative Brajesh Kalappa. I expect specific replies that will set the context of the debate. Counter accusations won't work. Specific replies will. Hence, I'm insulating Brajesh Kalappa from a counter attack of Sambit Patra and M.R. Venkatesh and Rahul Narvikar and making a request to him to be specific in his answers. Now, unless he wants to divert, which I hope he won't. My first question is, Brajesh Kalappa, did or did not a company called Young India, in which Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi are together 75% plus shareholders, receive money from Dotex Merchandise Private Limited?
Arnab, insofar as this loan is concerned, the owner of Dotex company is a gentleman by the name of Ramnath Goenka, RP Goenka, and he's the man who is behind this company. And he's an extremely respected person. He's a philanthropist. He's an industrialist. He's a newspaper owner and also an MP Rajya Sabha. And this amount was indeed taken for a specific purpose. It was taken in white, and the entire amount was returned in white with payment of interest.
You are saying this money could not have been black money?
Obviously not.
Did you at any time, I'm just asking you, and I'm asking about Dotex Merchandise Private Limited, did the Congress try to verify the background or the genuineness of the source if it was receiving this loan from at the time that it did? This broker, Sanjeev Agarwal, etc. Did you verify the background?
Arnab, see, if I take a loan from you, Arnab, I take a loan from you, Arnab, and I'm not going to inquire where you're getting the money from, so long as you have the money. I think
you don't inquire about the source of the money. Okay. So
no,
even as you claim,
I don't know of any person. I don't know of any other person who will inquire about the source of the money.
So you can take money from anywhere in any way. Okay. So my question was, even as you claim that you've returned the loan with 14% interest, are you totally, before Sambit Patra, ruling out the possibility that the money you could be receiving could be black money?
Well, I don't know. How am I to say today, Arnab? You see, the government is in the hands of Mr. Sambit Patra.
Oh, so you can't say?
No, how do I, what means do I have to say?
Okay, what means do I have to say? Okay, one question. Was this money received before this said company, Dotex Merchandise Private Limited, was sold by Uday Shankar Mahavar?
No, those details I don't have, Arnab.
You don't have. Now, can I share some details with you?
Sure, please, most welcome.
Some details I have with me, according to these papers which I have with me.
No.
This man, Uday Shankar Mahavar, there are 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Go by the old adage.
Just one small issue.
Just 1 minute. You see the Dotex. Do you agree?
You're just going to show me some papers.
No, I'm not.
And I've said I don't have them.
Don't worry about
I don't have them.
Okay, I won't show you papers.
No. What I find interesting, Arnab.
Don't worry about
what I find interesting, Arnab, is that, somehow from the ED, from the income tax, from various official quarters, so, papers land up very mysteriously in newspaper offices, in offices of the BJP spokesperson, and all at a time when suddenly the BJP finds that its fortunes are being reversed in Bihar. So this is the only point I want to make. You're welcome to say what you want.
My question is that this Dotex Merchandise Private Limited, as per the BJP, is a shell company that has been owned by an individual called Uday Shankar Mahavar. And Uday Shankar Mahavar, as per documents shown by the BJP, says that he is in the business of providing, and I get Sambit Patra into the debate at this point, bogus billing, bogus commission fees, bogus share application accommodation entries, purchase and sale of unquoted shares, etc. For doing these activities. They are getting commissions from beneficiaries normally used to form companies, raise bogus share capital in these companies and sell the companies in lieu of commission. Now, if this is true, Brajesh Kalappa, how serious this is going to get.
No, it's not serious, Arnab. It's not at all serious. And I'll tell you why.
It's not serious.
And I'll tell you why, Arnab. And I'll tell you why,
Get the counter on the other side.
Because in this entire country...
Look at the counter on the other side now.
In this entire country...
Counter on the other side. Brajesh, now let him come in. Sambit Patra.
I've seen the Supreme Court from very close quarters. I have never heard of a debtor being responsible for the
Can.
crimes of a creditor. I've never heard of
Sambit
it.
Patra.
If you want to
Can you maintain silence?
new
Can you maintain
jurisprudence,
silence for
if
a
you want
while,
to set
Brijesh?
new
Don't get
jurisprudence
worked
for the
up.
Sambit
country,
Patra.
Don't
you're
get
welcome to
worked up.
Arnab,
Please
but
listen
nobody
to
is
the
going to
truth.
buy.
Yes.
Nobody is going to buy this load of rubbish. Nobody is going to buy it.
I have
Load of
never
rubbish.
seen
I can
the
assure you,
Congress so
Arnab,
disturbed.
I can assure
I've
you.
never seen
In fact,
the
I
Congress so
tweeted
disturbed.
yesterday. In fact, I tweeted
ये
yesterday.
दाल ही
Arnab.
सिर्फ काला नहीं है,
No,
पूरी दाल काली है.
one minute,
That is the reason as to why they are so disturbed.
Arnab,
Let him
yesterday
come
I
in with the
tweeted-
counter. Sambit Patra.
Let me
Yesterday
make a
yesterday
point.
I
You can
tweeted-
counter.
1 minute, just one
Brijesh,
line. Just
allow
one
me-
line, Arnab. Just
Okay.
one line. Just one line. See, yesterday I tweeted,
Make your one line.
and I tweeted that, in fact, Arnab Goswami should have the guts to say that Arun Jaitley is the editor-in-chief of Times Now. I wish you'd really do that, Arnab.
You know-
because I mean, your
I tell you.
estimation will really
Done.
rise.
One
in the
second, I
public.
can deal with such
Really,
rubbish
I mean,
very easily.
I'm serious.
No, I'll tell you one
Because,
thing.
I mean,
I'll
it would
tell
be
you one
great
thing.
if
Now
you do
listen,
that.
Brajesh Kalappa. Brajesh, listen to me. You see, if I respond to every single childish comment you make,
No, that's a different
I
matter,
will be,
Arnab. See,
I will be, I will
look,
be
Arnab,
dishonoring myself. So I need to, one second. Listen to me. Listen to me. You see, problem with you is, Brajesh.
Such very high.
Brajesh, it's okay. Brajesh, you know, the more you speak like this, the more, you know, Brajesh, one second. Brajesh Kalappa. No, one second. Let me deal with Brajesh. Okay, let him scream his lungs out.
The Prime Minister of India is still not absolved of his crimes for the Gujarat riots. He's still facing charges
My
by
God.
Zakia Jafri. You know, today
please
you have a
don't
foreign
use the
minister
battle even
who
before
has
the
helped
battle begins.
a fugitive. When
Take a
Mr.
long-
Lalit Modi,
take a deep
you have
breath,
Vasundhara
be quiet,
Raje,
let's
who
have
goes
a-
to
let's
give
have a
secret
fair and
documents
decent debate,
in
sir.
Britain and tells
Sir,
the Indian
let us have a
government,
fair and
please
decent
don't
debate.
Okay, one second. No, one second.
documents.
Let me, now, one second. Sambit,
You only said such
Sambit
very high
Patra, before you
level
come in and
attitude,
before
Arnab.
any of the other panelists come in, now you be quiet for 2 minutes, okay? Brajesh, you've been speaking, you've said what you want. Now, please open your ears and listen for once, okay? Congress Party, Brajesh Kalappa, is today under a mistaken assumption. He's going to get away like all those channels which are his party's cheerleaders. Now, I didn't see the Congress Party, which conveniently piggybacked on Times Now's expose on Lalit Gate. I didn't see Brajesh Kalappa or any Congress
No, but,
spokesperson at that
let's
point
be
of time. Be
serious.
quiet, please. Now I heard you.
Serious, Arnab.
I heard you have the courage to
Let's
listen.
be serious,
Have the
Arnab.
courage to listen. Don't
Everybody in
scream.
this country today
Don't scream.
knows.
Don't
Everybody in
scream.
this
Don't
country
scream.
today
You
knows.
invite my response.
No,
You have the courage to hear it.
1 minute, Arnab.
If you are going to say something, you have the courage to
I
hear
have
it.
answered to what
No,
you're
you
saying,
listen.
Arnab.
You listen. Time for you to listen.
Most
Okay.
people today know
Listen,
that one of the
Mr.
cabinet
Brajesh
ministers,
Kalappa.
Narendra Modi,
Mr. Brajesh
supplied
Kalappa, now be
certain
quiet and listen. Don't be
on
so
the
much on the
basis
back
of
foot,
which
okay?
his entire story
Mr.
was
Brajesh Kalappa.
So I'm saying
Listen, be quiet, Mr. Kalappa. Be quiet. This whole country and people who have seen Times Now expose CWG 2G, Kargil for profit. We questioned your then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh
it further.
on Devassis Row. Be quiet.
So take
Be
it
quiet.
further, Arnab.
Mr. Kalappa, be
Take it
quiet.
further.
I do not want to
Ask the
respond to you
BJP today.
in an uncharitable
Ask the
manner.
BJP
But I will not
today.
learn journalism from you.
1 minute,
But I will at the
Ask
same
the
time tell you,
BJP
Mr.
today.
Kalappa, now you be
Why
quiet
have
and
they
listen.
recovered the 1,56,000
Why are you scared to listen, Mr. Kalappa?
Why have they not recovered?
Why are you scared to listen, Mr. Kalappa?
What about this money?
Mr. Kalappa, why are you not? There you listen now. You will have to listen now, Mr. Kalappa. Because Mr. Kalappa, you must know this. You must know this, Mr. Kalappa. And people who watch news know this, Mr. Kalappa. I will not take rubbish from any politician. I will not take rubbish from any politician, including you, Mr. Kalappa, or any Johnny come lately like you, Mr. Kalappa. Do you understand that? You don't want to discuss Hawala. You want to distract it. I will not let you distract it from that. And Mr. Kalappa, I request you, apni Lakshman Rekha khud dekhiye, because people who are watching this program right now know exactly what journalism we have done and what journalism we do. I do not seek a certificate from any politician, BJP or Congress. So you don't come on television and try to teach me what my journalism is. I practice journalism independently. I don't seek a certificate from you, neither will I ever do. And the more you abuse me, the more politicians abuse me. It doesn't matter to me. It's water off a duck's back. You didn't question me when I was breaking Lalit Gate. You didn't question us when we were talking about the Vyapam scam. So, Mr. Kalappa, watch your words tonight. And let's get back to debating what we came here to debate. Now, M.R. Venkatesh. The question is this. Mr. Kalappa says, I don't know where the money came from. I shouldn't be questioned where the money came from. You accept that argument?
Arnav, did you ask me a question? I was
That's
not able
to
to
M.R.
hear you.
Venkatesh.
Okay, Arnav, Brajesh Kalappa is partly right when he says that I don't have to really bother about the person who lends me the loan. But here, the person who lent him a loan, one, has written off in his books 1 crore of rupees lent according to him as donation. In his books, the Dotex company says it has not lent money to Young India. It has written off in its book as donation to Young India. Please note that point. That makes very important, that turns the entire argument of the Congress upside down. In fact, in the court we were talking about this when we strategized this issue. We were very clear that we should not bring this particular issue because it sidetracked the whole scam. But now that it has come into the limelight, the issue that principally what Mr. Kalappa has to answer is, why is Dotex writing off this entire amount in its book as donation to Young India? If it is a loan transaction, yes, what you say is right, but you got a donation from a company called Dotex, which is a bogus company. Two, Dotex has not given loan to anybody else. It has given loan a single transaction, and the single transaction happens to be to Young India. Three, according to Dotex, it has not received back the money. What you are saying is a loan transaction, 14% interest, is a figment of Mr. Surjewala's imagination or perhaps remains outside the books. Inside the books, I don't see either Young India repaying the loan, I don't see Dotex receiving back the donation that it has made. Now, given the conspectus of these facts, a lot of explanation has to be done. Why did you choose somebody when you had all the command of the government and the intelligence at your command in 2011? This was not happening in 2014.
Rajesh will reply.
This happened prior to it. You should answer. Why did you choose a Hawala operator of all people to take a 1 crore donation? Please answer that.
Rajesh Kalappa responds. Sambit comes back after that.
Arnab, I have already clarified, Arnab, that Dotex belonged to RP Goenka, and the deal was really because of the fact that RP Goenka had that kind of preeminence. And besides that, like I said, I don't have the papers. The second aspect is,
but is it a loan or a donation, Brajesh? Is it a loan or a donation?
My understanding is that it is a loan.
No,
it was taken in white.
You are short on facts, Brajesh.
The third aspect I'd like to bring about. One minute. The third aspect I'd like to bring about is this entire issue of Young India, of Associated Press Journal, has all been under the purview of the High Court order, right? This entire petition has been.
No, not this matter. Not this matter.
1 minute.
Brajesh, not this matter.
You may
this matter. No, let us rebut each other on facts.
1 minute, M.R. Venkatesh. You may choose to do whatever you want to do in a piecemeal approach, right? But am I today saying that you don't have the you don't have the means to go to the High Court? Well, why don't you extend the litigation? Bring this matter before the High Court. Let a resolution come before the High Court.
No, we will do it.
This is not the
we will do it at our time.
M.R. Sambit.
You are not our counsel, Brajesh.
M.R. Sambit.
We will choose our
Sambit Patra.
Surely this is not the forum where some justice could be rendered. Justice Arnab Goswami to give us justice.
Only Brajesh is quiet, I can speak, no? Arnav, look, I have a document along with me. This is a document. This is a statement of Shri Uday Shankar Mahavar, who in fact is the owner of Dotex, was the owner of Dotex company. And in this statement, which he delivered in front of the IT department, Kolkata, dated 25/8/2014, 25 August 2014. When he was asked which are the companies he owns, you would see that the list that he provides of 200 companies, the 194th company is Dotex Merchandise Private Limited. So the ownership of the lending company is settled. If on 25th August 2014, the list shows, the list which is signed by Mr. Mahavar in the
What are you alleging?
department.
Come to the point. What are you alleging, Sambit? What are you alleging?
The point would be spoken thereafter. When the question was asked by the IT department,
I asked him a question. Just let him make the point. You come back.
Here is Mr. Uday Shankar who agrees.
His brief is only to make those allegations. He doesn't know what follows from those allegations.
White money
he doesn't know
into
what
black
is a sequitur.
money. So Dotex company, which was in fact owned by Uday Shankar, converts white money into black money, from which the Gandhi family-owned company, the Young India, took donations. Remember, donation is the word written in the papers of Dotex company. Dotex company does not mention that this was a loan. So Mr. Surjewala and Mr. Brijesh Kalappa have to explain as to where and why they cook up the story of paying back a check. Why is it not mentioned in the balance sheet?
What is your basic point?
If you are paying back
now
a loan,
come to the moot point. Sambit, don't beat around the bush. You're making a moot point. You are fairly you're holding yourself back now, Newsa. Maybe you feel that you made some factual inaccuracy.
He doesn't have a point, Arnab.
What is your moot point?
He doesn't have a point. There is no sequitur.
The moot point.
He has no sequitur.
The moot point is
the point is just to throw.
What's your moot point?
Why
see what happened about RGCT, Arnab? What happened about Rahul Rajiv Gandhi charitable trust? Was the matter taken further? The point is just to keep throwing stones. The point is only to keep throwing stones. Throw a stone a week.
With all the state machinery at disposal, where they could have well known which company was donating them, why they took up this donation of 1 crore from Dotex.
Okay, why did you?
Number two.
Watch out. Shambit, 1 minute. Just hold your horses for a minute. Once. If you say you must know money from everyone you take and you must be responsible for everything, that can I ask you how the BJP received donations of 1.18 crore rupees from the Goa-based Timblo Private Limited, Miss Radha Timblo, who was named by the centre in one of the black money account holders? How did you take 1.18 crores from her? The Delhi High Court found the BJP guilty of receiving foreign funds in violation of the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. How did you do that? 73% of your funds come from unknown, unnamed sources between the financial years 2004-5 and 2011-2 as per ADR. Why did you do that? The BJP way back in 2007 received a donation from Dow Chemicals in contravention of the rules. You returned the money a year later. Just like the Congress says we returned the money that we took at 14% interest when that Dow Chemicals case snowballed into a controversy. But why did you take the money? Why did you break the rule? Do you therefore, if I say to you, do you understand the broader point I'm making? Yeah, go ahead.
No, I understand the broad point, and the technical answer is whatever donations we have taken, they were all reflected in the balance sheet. There was no hush affair over here. Well, yes, if we did not know, as you point out towards the Timblo's thing, that Timblo had black money outside, which was the government which revealed in the sheet that Timblo had black money outside.
Rahul Narvekar.
It was only after our government formed. It was only after our government was formed.
No.
The Timblo's name appeared in the sheet.
I think
before the Supreme Court. Not the Congress government. And we did not hide anything. It was in the balance sheet. But where is the money that
I'll allow the counter.
Young India took? It is not in the balance sheet anywhere. Why it is not present in the balance sheet?
I allow the counter, but I want to ask the Congress party this. Rahul Narvekar, I'm coming to you. My question to the Congress party is, Brajesh Kalappa, I have an issue with your previous position saying you cannot ask a debtor where he is taking the debt from, where the source of the funds must be asked from the person who has the funds. In that case, may I ask you, why is the Congress above questioning today when Anand Sharma questioned the source of funding from the Aam Aadmi Party in the lead up to the Delhi elections? When Anand Sharma raised several queries to AAP, whether they took money from fake companies, may I remind you today, Brajesh Kalappa, that at the forefront of questioning the Aam Aadmi Party on fake companies, much in the manner in which Sambit Patra is asking questions today, was the Congress party. You questioned the source of funding of Narendra Modi's rallies. Kapil Sibal asked for an investigation as to quote unquote what kind of money is used to fund Narendra Modi's rallies. You didn't say the BJP should not be asked where it took the money from. So why should we be kind to you when you were not kind to the others on that case? Now, Brajesh Kalapa, answer.
Arnab, insofar as this entire money trail is concerned, this doesn't concern the Congress party, Arnab. It concerns a Section 25 company. What is a Section 25 company? A Section 25 company is that.
One minute. Brajesh, that is the point. Brajesh, that's the point.
One minute, sir.
And who says this is a
when the shares goes to Young India, please understand that is the issue.
One minute.
Arnab, may I come in here?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Let me just make my point. See, Section 25 company means, Arnab, that it's not a profit for it doesn't earn a profit.
So who is taking the 60 lakh rupees per month that you are earning from the Herald House?
1 minute, sir.
Who is taking this money?
So the problem has nothing to do with Congress, but the shares goes to a non-Congress company. Is that
okay? Let me make my first point, sir.
Is that okay?
Sir,
the beneficiary of the Young India transaction is the National Herald shares is Young India.
That I don't earn.
That is the core of the argument.
One, I don't take a penny home. One, I don't take a home. I don't take any profit.
No, that is not the issue. That is not the allegation, Brajesh. Brajesh, that is never the allegation. The allegation is taking 5,000 crores home. You don't have to take a penny home.
1 minute.
When you take 5,000 crores home, you don't have to take a penny home.
And Mr. Sambit Patra prove that something has come to me as an additional, which is in violation of Section 25.
Please understand.
This is
the problem. I will tell you. If you listen to me, I will tell you. The fact is you have taken 5,000 crores worth of shares.
You tell me now.
The value of the company is 5,000 crores, which is undisputed.
This kind of rectitude that they expect of us. Are they exhibiting the same
How can you get
Sambit,
just for 50 lakh rupees is my question.
Only Sambit.
Number one,
Sambit and
I want to ask you a single question.
That look, I'm now going to give you an affidavit, but don't disclose the contents of this affidavit to my countrymen. This is the kind of chief minister they have, and they want to expect us to practice greatest rectitude.
My single question is, as per Section 13A of the Income Tax Act and Section 29A
You tell me one thing,
of Representation of People Act, can the Congress Party give a loan of 90 crore rupees? Can the Congress Party give a loan of 90 crore rupees to a commercial entity, that is the Associate General
But that is sub judice, sir.
Please answer in yes or no.
That is sub judice. That issue is sub judice. Why should I answer that?
2002 was sub judice. Every day you were speaking about 2002. Then
Of
it was
course
not
it is
sub judice. When you were speaking about
is sub judice.
When
Zakia Jafri's
2002
petition
riots
not
were
being heard,
were
it
under
is
the
a high court.
observation of court.
Where are you,
Every
Sambit?
second day you were speaking about 2002. It was not sub judice. Vyapam was sub judice. Why were you speaking about
that
Vyapam?
Zakia Jafri
When Vyapam was sub judice, why were you speaking about Vyapam? Today when the mother and son are caught red-handed, it is sub judice.
What does this matter say?
Today when Sonia Ji and Rahul Ji are caught red-handed, sub judice, what sub judice? Answer.
Clearly says that Narendra Modi
you have been
is
caught red-handed,
responsible for the genocide of 2002.
Packets and items.
For
Rahul Narvekar.
Packets and items.
Rahul
You have
Narvekar.
been caught red-handed. Don't shout.
And what about Mr. Amit Shah?
Calm down, gentlemen.
Please answer.
Not one murder charge, 17 murder charges.
Where did this 90 crore
17
come
murder
from? Where
charges
did this
against
90
Amit
crore
Shah.
go to?
Why
Where
don't you
did this
bother
90
about
crore
that?
come from?
You're
Where did this
bothering
90
about some
crore go to?
piffling money.
And what are you doing of the
I'm very
5,000
funny,
crore
Sambit.
properties of the National Herald?
Okay, Rahul Narvekar. Rahul Narvekar, one second. Before I hit the break, I'm going to come back on the other side of the break. Calm down. I have one question. Rahul Narvekar hasn't spoken yet. Rahul, now it's rumored nowadays that the NCP is going to move towards the BJP if the Shiv Sena moves out. In the absence of any political angle to this, I am asking you tonight to be as neutral as possible, if it is possible for you at all to be neutral, and tell Sambit Patra whether he is on the right track by accusing the Gandhis of Hawala round tripping, or whether he's stretching the argument. Rahul Narvekar. Before the break, Rahul Narvekar.
Well, Arnab, to start with, Well, Arnab, to start with, I'm glad that you have finally decided to change my positioning. Sometimes you say I'm with the Congress, I'm an ally of the Congress. Today you feel I'm supporting the Bharatiya Janata Party. But let me tell you, I'm neither here to give anyone a clean sheet, nor am I here to pronounce anyone guilty, especially in the manner of contradictions that these allegations contain. This whole
that's what I call a real balancing act, Rahul. Very unlike you.
To it.
That's what I call a real balancing act, by the way. That's a live balancing act on TV.
Fine, thank you very much.
Classic balancing act.
Fine, thank you very much.
No, you don't have to thank me. I'll take a break. When I come back, I know you'll be able to open up a little bit more. Please think. Rahul Narvekar, you'll have to take a position on the other side of the break. Take a short break. I'm coming back. We won't let Narvekar off the... We won't let Narvekar off.
So I hope you'll give me an opportunity.
I will give you more than an opportunity. I'll give you, provided you speak your mind and stand not on the fence. Thank you very much. Take a small break. Coming back to the Hawala versus Hawala debate. Okay, I go straight to Rahul Narvekar. Rahul, I'll make one more determined attempt to draw you into the debate, because interesting how you're fence sitting tonight. I'm really getting worried about whether after Uddhav Thackeray's speech today, you're really keeping your options open of fitting into the Devendra Fadnavis government. Maybe that's your intent. But let me make one attempt anyway, no problems. Tell me, Rahul Narvekar, has Sambit Patra overshot? Couple of times in the past, Sambit Patra has overshot. Sambit, don't respond. Don't get provoked. Question one, with the Aspen comment. He said, where is Rahul Gandhi? And they said, oh, he is here attending this conference in Aspen. Second time...
He was was he with Charlie?
Anyway, that's...
Was Charlie? Was he there? Where was he?
Sambit.
It was a forced vacation of Rahul Gandhi. He was not... He did not go to Bihar then.
Sambit.
We stuck to our guns and we were proved right.
It's all right.
Bihar, Sambit.
Okay, calm down. Are we discussing Aspen? No. See, Sambit, I told you. That's why I told you not to respond.
No, we are happy, Rahul. We are happy with Rahul. We are happy.
Second time when Sambit Patra, the BJP overshot, was when in the Samrat bicycles case, when it was alleged that the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust grabbed land. And the fact some people came out and said later, the Congress said land was auctioned under the aegis of the Delhi High Court in 2011. But
No, Mr. Goswami, the land was forced to be given back to the UPS IDC by the court.
Have you filed a petition?
And we had the court judgment. We shared the court judgment with you.
Have you filed a petition challenging that?
Again you start.
The SPM court had categorically said that the High Court
This is the problem.
Challenging that issue.
This is the problem.
Misled.
Now, Sambit, listen. Sambit, listen. My question is not even to you. I'm trying to draw the fence-sitting Rahul Narvekar into the debate, because he's sitting with glue on the fence tonight. He refuses to move. Now, Rahul Narvekar, could BJP have overshot this case? They've got a 1 crore case. They're making a 90 plus crore Hawala charge. Could they have overshot? Thank you. Please.
Well, Arnab, like I said earlier, I'm not here to give the Congress party a clean sheet, nor am I here to pronounce them guilty. But if I look at the whole issue, if you look at the entire issue, see, the Bharatiya Janata Party started with the allegation of this being a 50,000 crore rupees scam. They come down to a 5,000 crore rupees scam. Finally, they find an entry of 1 crore rupee. I think this is not. That may be the way it is. But what worries me more, and what I am waiting for anxiously, is the 15 lakh rupees which my Prime Minister promised me. He said I would be getting 15 lakh rupees along with my fellow citizens within 1 month of him assuming power. So I am still waiting, and after 1.5 years, after about 18 months, all that the exchequer gets is about 2,600 crore rupees in disclosures via tax. So, these loud claims that the Bharatiya Janata Party has been making have been failing time and again. So, while the National Herald case is as important, I think they should also
finally.
on the pre-poll promises that they've made with regards to black money.
I think,
Mr. Patra, I don't understand your obsession with the Congress party or with Rahul Gandhi, but the nation certainly is obsessed with the fact, with the promises that you have made prior to elections, which you have failed to fulfill time and again.
Every politician be obsessed with this fact that we have to expose corruption. And as far as in the guise of covering the corruption of Congress, and shut
in
case,
the guise
remember,
of-
How much money
it
have
is
you
for
sent
us to
outside
see
this
through it
Mr.
as to how
Patra,
corruption took place
Mr.
over
Patra,
here.
have the patience of listening to
5,000
people.
crore worth
We know you are
assets
also
of
obsessed
How much
with your
money have
own
you sent
voice.
outside the
But
country?
at times,
While
listen to
bringing
others as
the
well.
property of Sonia Gandhi
sent
and Rahul
6,000
Gandhi
crores
overnight.
outside
Listen to
your
your
own
own
voice.
voice.
20 lakh
But
rupees.
listen to others as
From
well.
which company? From which bank? You send money from Bank of Baroda, which is a Gujarat-based bank.
Who
You
sent money from Bank of Baroda? It was all
6,142
your
crore
accumulated money.
outside the country.
If the money was
So
being sent to Bank of
200%,
Baroda in the last 1 year,
200%
who
beneficiaries.
generated this
Don't
money?
reduce the
Who
BJP
generated
bank
this
into a
money?
Gujarat-based bank.
6,142 crore outside.
It
You
is
must
a
explain
nationalized
this,
bank,
Sir.
and I
You
am
must
sure
explain
Vijay,
it.
you must
Caught
understand
red-handed.
that it's not a Gujarat-based bank. That would be atrocious, even
from
by
a
your standards.
small bank which is out of the beyond. How does it reach abroad?
Can
And
I-
you're the ones who are saying you'll bring money from abroad. Today, you're sending money out from Bank of Baroda. Don't you have any shame, Sambit?
Brijesh, you must understand. Brijesh, you must understand.
15
that
lakhs.
investigative agencies have already started.
One second. Between Brajesh Kalappa and Sambit Patra, I must come in 1 second, please. 1 second. Hold on. 1 second. 1 second. First, two questions. First question can be a yes or no from Sambit Patra. Sambit, was this press conference of yours today a attempt to divert attention from what VK Singh had said? Just say yes or no.
No, why should it be an
Absolutely.
attempt to divert attention? It was to expose the truth, and the truth has been
Okay.
exposed.
Okay, fine.
They have no answer.
In that case-
Had
in that
we
case-
been on a back foot, then they would have been.
No. In
exposing us.
that case-
they would have held a press conference with all the documents, with the income tax returns, with balance sheets. They have neither the balance sheet which shows the 90 crore rupees. They
But
do
we are
not
not
have the
in
files. They
government.
do not have the
You are in
papers.
government.
Why don't you
You are in
produce the
government.
papers?
You
is
have
my
all the
question.
material. Because
Mr.
Arun Jaitley
Brajesh
is
Kalappa
providing
does
all the
not know
material.
when did
Arun
the
Jaitley
Dotex
is sitting
company
there to
gives the
provide you
loan.
the
He
material.
does not know the owner
How
of
am I to
Dotex
say
company.
what
Why
the
is he so
material is?
unprepared?
You have
He is
all the material
unprepared
sitting, landing on your table.
because the
Because Arun
Congress
Jaitley
party
is
does
supplying all
not
the
want to
material to
share
you.
the data with its
Because Arun
spokesperson.
Jaitley is
And
very
that shows
deeply
that the
interested
Congress party
in trying
knows
to
what the
embarrass
truth
us on a
is.
daily basis.
Otherwise, today,
Of
Mr.
course, he will
Brajesh
provide you
Kalappa
the
would have
material
come
on a daily
equipped
basis.
with all
If
documents,
not this,
as I
he will
come
bring
here,
some other
equipped with
material.
all documents.
This is the job of Arun Jaitley. He's the Prime Minister. He's the Minister for Finance.
Arey,
and
you
he's
have a
supplying the
Chidambaram.
material.
Tell him to
Is
bring
there-
his
is there
documents and
shame
come
in
over
all this?
here.
Is there
Send
no shame in
Chidambaram.
all
If
this?
you do not know how to
does this
defend,
material
then send Mr.
magically
Chidambaram.
manifest
All
itself
of
on
you
your
are
table?
hiding behind curtains because you
just
know
tell me-
that the mother
just
and
tell me
the
today,
son
Sambit.
duo have been
Just tell me
3
co-defended.
minutes to the
Some-
debate. I
And
have a
some
question
amount
for
of
you,
honesty.
Brajesh.
Let me
Just
3
let
minutes.
me read
Some
out.
amount
Let
of
me read out.
honesty.
June 26, 2014.
you read what you like, Sambit.
The
Nobody's going to
Metropolitan
buy any of
Magistrate
that.
had said,
Because,
I
you
have
see, there will
found
be plenty of
prima
material
facie
for you,
evidence against
which
the
Mr.
accused.
Jaitley will
Prima
provide from
facie
time to
evidence
time
against the
for you to
accused.
read.
This is what the
He
Metropolitan
will give you enough and
Magistrate
more
had to
material
say
for you to read
for the
on a
Gandhi
daily
family.
basis.
This is what the
Because he
this is
enjoys
what
Is the document fake?
Manocha.
Which will take you
Brajesh
nowhere.
Kalappa, Brajesh Kalappa, let me ask you two questions.
Come prepared
1
with
second,
papers.
1 second. You keep saying Arun Jaitley. My question to you is this: regardless of who source, where it came from, etc., my question to you is: are you saying Brajesh Kalappa, put out the document? What document? Hold it up, Sambit. Hold it up. Hold it up for Brajesh to see.
Yes, this is the document.
Hold it up. Okay, now we can
This
see
is the
this
second document. Very important document.
Now, 1 second. Brajesh, is this document fake? Let's sue
How
him.
am I to say, Arnav? Arnav, why do you ask these questions?
How are you
on
to
television?
say?
I've told
By
you I've never
preparing.
seen those
Because I
papers.
thought the basic
I don't know.
premise-
I've
Asking
never
your
seen
political
those
party
papers.
to-
If
by
obviously,
asking your
if Mr.
political-
Jaitley has
by
provided
asking your
them to
party
him,
Congress to hold
if
press
Mr. Jaitley has
conferences
provided
and
them
saying
to
that
him,
these documents
obviously
are
there will be
fake.
documents which have come from either the ED, from either the income tax or from the ROC.
So are the documents fake?
All those documents are available to Mr. Jaitley and he's providing them
No,
on a daily
even
basis.
if-
What is the-
even
No,
if
Sambit,
these documents
Patra.
come from
No,
someone
you
that
tell me
has
this.
Sambit
Patra,
Patra,
Just tell me this
means
one
that the
thing,
fact should not
Arnav.
be exhumed.
Just tell me one
investigating
thing,
the
Arnav.
matter?
Mean that the
Is he
truth
the
should
Just
be
tell me one
exhumed.
thing, Arnav.
Now, one second.
One thing.
My second
Does
question.
that mean that
Are
the
these
truth should be buried for
documents
always? The
available
truth
to
should not come
anybody
out. What does
else
that mean?
other than to the BJP? How do they come before
Source
the
of
BJP?
document is not
How do they suddenly
important.
land up
What is
mysteriously
in the
before the
document
BJP
is
table?
important, Mr.
How do they
Kalappa.
come? How
What
do they
is
come?
in the document is important.
No, why don't
From
you do
where
this?
does the document
Why don't you
come
do
is
this if there is
immaterial,
any
remember.
material? If there is any material, why don't you file a petition? Why
1
don't you
minute
file a
to go
petition
to the
for a
debate.
court of law?
Rahul,
before you
Baba,
finish
the debate.
in regard to this.
Rahul Narvekar, what were you saying? Rahul Narvekar, please, 1 minute. Sambit Patra, wait. Rahul Narvekar, what was your point?
The petition.
Rahul Narvekar, what was your point? I have a last question then. Rahul Narvekar had a point, so M.R. Venkatesh, Rahul Narvekar first. Briefly, Rahul Narvekar.
The point is by Sambit Patra, Sambit Patra holding 4 papers in his hand does not prove nothing. Is he the jury? Is he the investigating officer in this matter? The Bharatiya Janata Party on one hand says that they have
number of
evidence.
papers.
On the other hand,
he has always been technical on it. Does it mean that he holds the jury and he does not prove points by showing paper?
Second hand is, on the other hand, they say that this matter is under investigation. What are they? The entire disclosure is full of contradictions. The entire disclosure is full of contradictions.
Name the contradiction. I'll answer you. Name the contradiction, Mr. Rahul Narvekar. Name the contradiction. I'll answer you.
Everything, every line is a contradiction.
Mr. Patra,
what is everything? What is everything?
You tell the
Give
nation.
a single point. Give a single. My simple question: How come if Young India is a Section 25 company, how its meeting was held in 10 Janpath Road? How a meeting of a Section 25 company held in 10 Janpath Road?
Okay, now listen, gentlemen.
How can you hold a meeting?
What does it take them? How does it take the matter further?
Brajesh Kalapa, Brajesh, Rahul and Sambit. Brajesh, Rahul and Sambit. Brajesh Kalapa, Rahul Narvekar, Sambit Patra. To these 3 very, very enthusiastic men debating on this very relevant subject, I think we are on the tip of a bigger debate. Because today, Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala also spoke about political angle to the Bank of Baroda scam. Today, the BJP made direct allegations of Hawala transactions against the Gandhis. Gentlemen, I am of the view that I have to take this debate forward. So may I only, for want of time, close this today by saying, I want to debate this at length, and I want to debate this with these same very individuals who are on Newshour. Pardon me, I have to close tonight, but the way this debate has gone, I might do a second edition tomorrow. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the Newshour tonight. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.